What's up, YouTube? Today I am going to be riding the orange Surron. We got this 2019 Surron, we got the 2022 over there. I'm kind of liking these old forks, these old Killa D&M forks. Oh no, RST forks, that's what they are. They are not bad, not gonna lie. I kind of like them. Maybe my 2022 ones are just messed up, I don't know, but I'm really liking the bouncy feeling of these lighter shocks. Makes the whole bike lighter as well. And we're gonna go hit some jumps. So the lighter bike is actually better for the jumps, I found out. Boom. Turn the breaker on. Good to go. 100% battery. Time to ride. Check out the new bike though. We got the support bracket going for the pegs now. We got the new orange pegs. We got the new custom seat design. I put a 2-inch memory foam underneath this, and then put this nice grippy seat cover over it. Got an orange key ignition switch, orange grips. Kind of matching the outfit today. But yeah. Might be the last nice day to ride around here. It's like 60 degrees right now. I think it's like 55 actually. All bundled up, got long socks on, gloves, hoodie with a windbreaker over it. Get to it. So we're gonna go hit the pit bike track, and we're gonna also hit a little mountain bike track as well. Boom. Kickstand up. Good to go. Brakes working good. Rear's working decent. Front brake is a little bent, but yeah, working pretty good. Tire seems to be a little low. It's got enough though. It's got enough for a ride. Whew, yeah, it is definitely freezing. Definitely cold out today. That is for sure. Let's get a little wheel going. Ready? Woo! Got a little wheelie going. Usually when I'm riding alone, I throw in my 2022 battery in this bike, but I rode with some friends yesterday and only charged my older battery, my 2019 battery, and man, can you tell the fucking difference. You can definitely tell the difference between a 2019 battery and a 2022. I looked on the bottom and there is a 2 amp hour difference. One is a 32 amp hour, the other is a 34 amp hour. So a little bit of difference just in size there. But even just performance, you can definitely see the difference between a new and the, what would that be now, 4-year-old battery, you know. What's weird is these older 2019 Killa RST forks are more fun than these nice 2022 forks that are more like, they're more like dirt bike suspension, whereas these are more so mountain bike suspension. But I'm actually liking the mountain bike suspension more. It's kind of weird. Not sure why, but I think it's because they're so fucking light. I think it's because they're so damn light that it's just more fun to move around like a BMX bike as opposed to like a heavy dirt bike, you know. So I think the lighter, the better for these Surrons, especially if you weigh pretty little like me. Like I only weigh 140 pounds. So, woo! I don't know why, but I cannot hold the wheelies up on this bike, but I can bounce them up. It's like a trampoline. Look at that. Look at that suspension. It's kind of crazy how much travel it's got. I can pop the wheelies, but can't hold them because the fork is so bouncy. It's just like bouncing back and forth when I have it up in the air. I love these for when I'm landing and I nosedive on accident though. These forks are great for that because it makes the impact so soft. Alright, wheelie the whole bridge, ready? No, I wish. I wish. No. That was a good one. Nice little wheelie. Full speed, let's go. Whee! Oh man, that wind resistance is insane. Lots of people at the dog park today. Everyone knows this is like the last nice day of the year. After this, it's gonna be friggin' 50, raining the rest of the week. Oh, sounds awful. It's already cold enough, but rain as well? Come on now. Let me know in the comments how this audio sounds. I got a pretty nice lav mic setup that I think works decently well. Right now I'm rocking no goggles, so there's a little bit more wind noise going into my helmet, as well as tons of wind right now. So it might sound a bit windy today, but it's a good test of the microphone, that's for sure. It's been windy as hell lately. I'm excited to hit these pit bike track jumps. I think we'll hit those after we go in the woods and hit the mountain bike trail, because the mountain bike trail gets really dark really quickly, whereas the pit bike track is out in the open, so yeah. Big wheelie right here. Ready? Woo! I just bunny hop this bike, dude. With the tiniest little bump, like you can bunny hop this thing. It's so crazy. I bought this second Surron, 2,800 bucks, right? Paid almost $5,000 for mine by 2022, and I'm actually having more fun on this fucking 2019 than the 2022, just because the suspension just works better for me. Who's honking? Yeah, that's a green light. I don't know why they're sitting there waiting, but yeah. Oh man, I missed my chance. Yeah, it kind of sucks to get off work around 5:30, you know, and then now it's dark by 7:30. I only got like an hour to ride after work every day before it's dark. I miss summer, man. Miss riding till 10 p.m. at night with the sun out. That was nice. Woo! Alright, we've arrived at the mountain bike trails. It's a local park here in Michigan called Friendship Park. They got a nice little mountain bike course here, a couple of jumps. Fun stuff. So we're gonna start out over there, and then we'll head to the pit bike track right after that. Kind of a hidden little trail. I bet a lot of people don't know that this is even here. Go back on this little walking trail into the woods, and then boom, you're on a mountain bike trail, just like that. Whew. Bottom those out this time. Yeah, definitely need some air in this tire when I get home. Wow, it's so much more fun during the day. All I've been doing is riding at night. It's so enjoyable when you can actually see the trail. You can really fly through here. Woo! Woohoo! Just ripping, dude. Hit this jump, but in reverse. Oh my gosh. This suspension is so loose, I love it. I'm just hopping around like a trampoline, dude. Absolutely love it. You can legit bunny hop this setup. Just like a BMX bike. This is insane. Cannot do that with my 2022 Surron. Alright, here we go. First one of the day. Start with a big ass jump. Oh, see, that's kind of a problem. You kind of get too much speed. Since that was such a bad run, we're gonna go back and start from the beginning, because I want to get this clean. Could be that my brakes just aren't good. That is the thing that's better about the 2022 Surrons as opposed to these older Surrons is the brakes. This one's only got 2 pistons, one on each side, whereas the new bikes come with 4 pistons, 2 on each side. Much more firm grip on the new ones, that's for sure. Here we go. Woo! Let's go. Boing! Man, that is fun. Now I just gotta upgrade these brake calipers to the newer version. And I think that should work. I'm pretty sure you can just swap out the calipers from these dual to the quad. I hope. Because that's what I plan on doing. That's for sure. Wow, this bike is literally a trampoline. It is insane. So bouncy. So bouncy. Woo! Almost too bouncy, but it's if you know how to control the bounce, man, this is fun. Plus this bike's got the rise bars, whereas my newer Surron does not. I was thinking about transferring these bars to my bike, but I'm kind of having just way too much fun with this older Surron. I don't know why, but man, the lightweightness of these forks and everything is just so nice. Like, look at that, I just bounce and float. Too easy. Absolutely no problems. Absolutely no problems down here. Dang. Excuse me. What's that? Thank you, thank you. Yeah, this thing's sweet. Especially here. Yep. See ya. These leaves are definitely slippery. fishtailing it. Man, that's fun. Woo, overcleared that by a lot. Nice little drop off up here. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, this suspension takes that like a champ. That is so weird. How does this cheaper suspension work better than the newer 2022 suspension? Tell me how that fucking works. I don't get it, dude. I don't get it. Oh, too much speed. So fun. So fun. Alright, we already took that trail. Let's take this one down. Alright, we haven't ridden down this one yet. This one's kind of steep. Steep turns. Coming in hot. Big jump right here. Woo! Got a little one-hander action on there. I think we could get a no-hander on there. Let's give a no-hander a chance on that. I think I got that all day. It's a pretty big gap. We're gonna try straight up no-hander. Gonna head to the top again. Got the one-hander, no problem. But we should be able to get a no-hander. Should be able to. Woo! Alright, here we go, no-hander. Kind of a no-hander. Woo! You still recording? Oh yes. Oh fuck, camera started sagging down. We gotta redo that. I don't know if the camera got that. The camera started to tilt down. Man, that was a perfect no-hander too. Whatever, we'll get it again. We'll get it better. We'll get it better right here. Alright, ready? Here we go. No hander on the big jump. Send it. Skirt. There we go. Let's go. Not the cleanest no-hander, but it's only a very little amount of airtime, you know, so you gotta be careful. Woo! You can pass. Sorry. I'm just whipping through here, dude. Oh, that was... I almost ran over a squirrel. Jesus. Didn't really look like a squirrel, though. That thing was furry as hell. What was that? Might have been a muskrat. Oh, man, is that nice. So flowy through there on this bike. It's like this bike is just tuned perfectly. It's crazy. I can flow through it. No problem. Cleared that one like a jump. That's never happened. Wow. That was awesome. Alright. One more run down that way. We'll come back up. We'll head down this way. Whew. Starting to get sweaty. God damn. Alright, here we go. Oh, that was a big no-hander. There we go. That was a big one. Woohoo! Let's get zooming. Let's go. Just whipping through here, dude. Absolutely flying. Almost hitting trees. Going so fast my contacts are getting blurry. Oh, man, is this fun. I love how light this bike is. This is insane. Just flows through the trails, no problem. Literally zero issues. Woo! Let's go. That was awesome. Alright, we're gonna hit the rock jump one more time as we exit the park, and then we're gonna head over to the pit bike track. Woo! Yeah! Just ripping! Absolutely just full send. Woo! Fishtailing everywhere. Love it. Love it. It's my favorite pastime, my friend. Woo! Let's go. Tight turn. Woo! No problem for the Surron. Let's go. Woo! Woo! So fun. Woo! Just over clear that by like 5 feet. Whew. Oh, almost slipped out. A little bit sandy back there. Woo! Oh, I'm actually sweating. Dang. Thought I was gonna be freezing out here riding today. Oh, that's a new jump. You see that? There's a rock on the side of the trail there. Built up to be a jump. Alright, we still got daylight. So we're gonna head over to the pit bike track. Get some laps in over there. Woo! My contacts are blurry. It's bright out there, man. It's bright out there. Let's go. Put on eco, just coast it. Whoa! Did anybody just see that? The throttle just got stuck and I almost died. I swear to God. Look at that. I'm not pressing the throttle. Oh my. Alright, new throttle. Officially needed. Absolutely need a new throttle. That is not safe. Still gonna send it though. Just absolutely ripping these sidewalks, dude. Unstoppable. Here we go. Oh, that was a good one. Come on. Ow, fuck. Ow, that hurt. Oh, luckily I closed my eye. Holy shit. That branch just smacked me in the face. Not wearing goggles right now because they would just fog up because of this cold weather. Alright, I got the gate open. Anybody out here working on the track? No. Nobody. Well, welcome to the pit bike track. It's a little overgrown, as you can see. It's pretty messed up, but I cleared it out the other day. Cleared off all the jumps. Cleared off the landings, cleared the weeds off the top of the tabletops and everything, so should be hittable today. I hit it a few times the other day, and it got pitch black and I didn't really want to ride, so I'm excited to try this out. Let's do it. Okay, way too much speed. Got that. Fatty 1-footer, let's go. Let's get a no-hander right here, ready? Oh, I accidentally grabbed my brake on that landing and not I grabbed right here instead of the grip. Not good. Woo! That's a sender. That last one is crazy. Of course the camera just got fucked. Angled way down. Damn it, camera. Stay tilted, brother. One-hander, 1-footer. Hopefully you guys can see that. No-hander. Let's go. No-footer. Let's go. You need too much speed for that first one there. Oh, that felt great. Woo! Alright, let's do a speed run. Ready? Just go as fast as we can through this. Here we go. Starting now. Can't go too fast around these turns though. Speed run. Speed run. Woo! Nice no-hander right there. Let's go. Woo! Nice little whip right there. Let's get a whip on this one. Oh, I was sideways on that. That was nice. Oh, that was a bad whip. Alright. Alright, I got the GoPro a little mounted better. Hopefully that fixes everything. Woo! Hopefully that's not too high up. I am bottoming out this front fork, but it's soft though. Nice and bouncy. I like it. I actually like it. Just weird, because it's the cheap fork. Why would the cheap fork be better? Make it make sense, dude. That was a nice whip. Yeah. No hander again. Oh, that was bad, dude. That was bad. I bottomed out real bad on that one. Going a little too hard. Going a little too hard. Woo! No hander again. Perfect. Can we get no hander on this one? Yep. Got no hander on the big one. Oh, that was a beautiful whip. Let's go. Oh, almost ate shit on that one. Straight up lost the handlebars. Alright, let's get a perfect run. Perfectly smooth run right here. Ready? Perfect. Perfect. No hander. Oh no! My foot fell off right as I started going up in the air. Damn it. Alright, redo. Let's do that again. Let's try that again. Here we go. Let's go. No, one footer, one hander. No hander. Dude, what's going on with that lip? What the fuck? Every time I go off the lip, it's just out of my grip. I can't let go because the freaking handlebars just bounce up into my hand when I try to pull them back. I gotta go off a different part of that kicker. There we go. Perfect. Are you guys hearing the rebound on those forks, dude? Just bouncing like crazy. It's fun like that. I like it. I like it a lot. Perfect, perfect. Alright, I'm hot. Might be it. Whew. That was awesome. Sweating. That was sick. Good shit, guys. Whew. Well, I am beat. That was fun. Man, I'm beat. Whew. Man, I am beat, but that was super fun. I think I'll do a couple more laps and head out of here. Got one footer. One footer, one hander on that one. Haven't done it on that one yet. First time. Let's get a no hander on this, a clean one. That was nice. That was nice. Nice little whip. No hander. No footer. Woo! Let's go, guys. That was awesome. It's starting to get dark out here. Sun is setting. I'm gonna head home, but thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked the video. And if you want to see some more Surron content, I got 2 bikes. I'll be making tons of videos. Make sure you subscribe. Peace out. Hopefully we get a better view. Who knows? We're gonna test it out. Either way, you guys know I'm doing no hangers. You know I'm doing no hangers. I'm for real with that. Like, look at that. That one is pretty messed up, actually. That was cool. Woo. Here we go, here we go. Should definitely be able to see my right hand with that angle. Maybe if I even look at my right hand while I'm in there, that'll probably help you guys see it. I'm gonna look too far on that one now. Damn it. Oh my god, this bike just flows through this hill. No problemo. Oh, dude, that one straight flat. Okay. I need bigger jumps, dude. I'm trying to pull sending bikes. Where are the big jumps at? There's one more handle. Alright, I'm guessing you guys saw it on that one, hopefully. If not, I don't know, man. I guess you can only see one hand or the other if not, but we tried. That was a shitty jump. Gotta do one more lap because that was a bad one. Man, I love this bike. Here we go. I'm gonna clean this one yet, buddy. You had to have saw that one, right? Hopefully. In case you guys didn't know, I do stream on Twitch. I do some like GoPro footage, biking streams and whatnot, as well as some gaming and stuff. Play a lot of FPS shooters and whatnot. So check out the Twitch. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And yeah, thanks for checking this out. Peace. Figured might as well video the ride home now too as well, right? Why not? Why not, right? I'm gonna lean back as well so you guys can get kind of a good view of what it's like to be on the bike. This is what it looks like. A little bike point of view. Let's get a wheelie right here, guys. I like taking little stretches like that and then just see if I can wheelie the whole thing. Good practice, but I suck at wheelies, man. I don't know what it is. I tried. I feel like if I had a 72 volt, I'd probably be able to do this. Because I I want to do fast wheels. Everyone tells me doing slow, but honestly, I can hold them up better going fast than these little slow wheels like this. I don't like doing those. I like doing the freaking fast pace. That kind of wheel, you know? Fast pace. But yeah, I definitely gotta work on it. Definitely got some work to get on those. Hopefully we'll get a few more warm days here. I doubt it, but maybe. October, it's usually pretty cold here in Michigan, but I'll still get out. As long as it's 50 or so degrees. I'll still get out, make some videos. But definitely next summer, it's gonna be a ton. But for next summer, man, I will definitely be making lots of Surron content, that is for sure. Probably doing upgrades to this bike throughout the winter while I can save up some money to do changes and modifications to it. We're going to upgrade to a 72 at some point. To be honest, I only weigh 130 pounds. I really don't think I really 72 volt, but I mainly just want it so I can do wheelies. I think it would help with wheelies, to be honest. Maybe might get a bigger sprocket, bigger chain. You know, just a small upgrades here and there. Should. A lot of people say don't want these on the road. What should I want? That's on there, all of them. They think they're cool. Why not send them? If you max it out, 45, so you get up to the speed of it. 45, 46. 46 with direct oncoming wind, that's pretty fucking crazy, guys. 47? Let's go! Imagine if I had the newer battery on this bike. Woo! You'd be whipping, dude. I'd be able to get up to 50 miles per hour with the other battery. Yeah. Cool thing about this bike is it doesn't have the front fender, which can be cool, it can also not be cool. But, I mean, makes the bike lighter, that's for sure. With the bike being so light, you're going to get more distance and quicker speed. So, car right behind me, even though I'm going the speed limit. This guy's speeding. Still following me. He wants to pass. He's gone. Gotta pray my front tire don't fall off. That would be shitty. I'm starting to slow down. We're down to 45 now. Maybe getting a little hot. Motor, you can do it only in one more mile. This guy probably hates me behind me, but speed limit is 35. I don't know. It should be. Woo, hanging out one hand, let's go. Just ripping one-handed 45 miles an hour. Good stuff. Woo, we're sending it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. ride, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Hope they see it. I wish I could get that throttle to stick again. And I could just ride no hands with throttle on. That'd be insane. Yeah, cruising, my friend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like. Clear all that pretty good even though I was all on there. That was really fun. And we ended up with 44% battery when we got back. Not bad at all.